Good evening, morning, whatever your day may be. I don't bloody know whenever you're watching this video. Yeah, Layton Barr here from Property Investing Shit. Tonight we are at PIN, Property Investors Networking Hull. No, we're not. York, not Hull one. So over here we have a few property investors. It is currently 5 to 7. The networking event is on at the moment. There's people coming through the door at the time, and basically we are here to listen to someone do a couple of presentations and meet and greet with property investors. So the way to do this, guys, because as I said, property networking 101 is literally introducing yourself. So like, there's a group of people here, just stood there talking away. You walk up to them, say, "I'm sorry to interrupt you. Do you mind if I interrupt you? Sorry to interrupt you. Do you mind if I just sort of tag along?" And then you have a conversation and find out exactly what they do. Just chat. That's all you're doing. You're chatting. You're making notes about what people do when you're there. And it's the same in any other networking event you go to. You're just going there to listen to people. This is currently my third meeting today. I had one this morning with a lady, one-to-one. Lovely lady, one-to-one session with her for 2 hours over breakfast. Breakfast was great, by the way. Then was in a room with 37 other business professionals. This was a networking event put on by Business Culture Hull. That was great. And as I say, this evening I've driven from Hull over to York. It's not too far away, about an hour if that, to meet up with the guys and girls and presenters of York PIN. I have to remember it's York PIN, not Hull PIN. I'm used to going to Hull PIN, not York PIN, so York PIN. Yeah, as you see, I'm just spanning around again. People there chatting away. You just interact with a group of people. It's simple as that. Alright, I suppose I better go because it's getting on for me to actually do the presentation and call us to our seats. So, catch up with you later.